Hi, I'm Lynn Stahl, the Humanities Librarian and a member of the Collections Advisory Committee at WVU. This video is designed to help you understand how we go about making decisions related to library resources. Few would argue that academic libraries have changed dramatically since that first picture was taken. Today, journals, databases, and other information requiring an ongoing subscription, or what we call continuing resources, make up approximately 87% of the library's collections budget. After accounting for other collections and material costs like interlibrary loan and platform access fees, this leaves just 2% for one-time purchases such as books and DVDs. Why are continuing resources taxing the collections budget? The answer comes down to two factors: a flat library budget and journal inflation. The cumulative US inflation increased 12% from 2017 to 2021. Contrast this with the cumulative inflation rate for journals over the same period, 20%. So the library's buying power is less each year. How are the libraries handling this challenge? By focusing on access over ownership and just-in-time rather than just-in-case acquisitions. Just-in-time means making resources available when they're needed. In other words, waiting until a faculty member says they need something before we obtain it. This approach is very much driven by the budget. Examples of the just-in-time approach include carefully curated ebook plans that enable us to link to thousands of ebooks in the catalog, yet pay for only those titles that are used. Continual improvement of the Find It at WVU links that quickly direct users to either the full text or the interlibrary loan request form. Would we like to provide immediate one-click access to every article our users need? Of course, but is this realistic? No. Journal subscriptions are monitored closely for cost effectiveness. If only a small number of articles are accessed from a particular e-journal over the course of a year, our cost per article is high. The libraries can provide access to those articles more cost effectively through interlibrary loan. The user still gets the articles, but at a lower cost than the subscription fee would be. What if a faculty member wants the libraries to own a particular book or DVD, or subscribe to a particular journal or database? The faculty member is welcome to place a request through the Suggest a Purchase or Product Trial web form, or discuss it with their subject librarian. One-time faculty requests such as books and DVDs are typically filled immediately. Faculty requests for continuing resources such as e-journals and databases are evaluated for anticipated use, interlibrary loan options, and available funding, among other factors. So, the WVU libraries have changed a great deal in 120 years, but what hasn't changed is the library's commitment to the study, teaching, and research of the faculty, staff, and students, and to WVU's land-grant mission.